This is Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown would like to measure the temperature of components inside the furnace. But how can this be done without stopping or interrupting production? Dave from PHOENIXTM has the ideal solution. With the help of heat protection technologies, PHOENIXTM developed a system that can accurately measure temperatures in various heat treatment processes. A PHOENIXTM system consists of a thermal barrier, a data logger, a software analysis package, telemetry and thermocouples. No cumbersome trailing thermocouples are needed. As a result, the system can run through the oven during normal production, measuring actual product temperatures with up to 20 thermocouple channels. Therefore, the temperature measurement takes place within the furnace. The temperature data is recorded in real time or downloaded afterwards. Mr. Brown is excited. He never thought that there was such an easy solution to his situation and that he could improve the quality of his product without a lot of effort. Furthermore, he is able to reduce the energy costs of his production. Great!